Okay. Sorry. So I left. It's just my mom was somebody was trying to call my puppy, and so he hung up.
What are you doing?
Taking a video. And so everywhere I go is gonna be in my car. Everywhere I go, I'm gonna be in my car. And look, I'm bleeding. Look.
Who's it there?
Puppy, but I need to go outside. I need to go out there. I gotta go. Puppy. And look at Puppy's flowers. Aren't they pretty? So, I'm in my car. Say hi, Puppy. Say hi. I'm taking a video for my mom. And so we're gonna go outside and run. So then we can get my sister. Right, Puppy?
Yes.
Because both of us is buckled. Look. I am so funny, and I sound funny. Oh my God, those I can't be moved. Yeah. Did you see that? Puppy, look.
I'm looking at
I'm looking at my owie. You see that? You see it? Puppy, I gotta go. I gotta use the bathroom. Okay, bye. I'll see you later.